Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used exciting Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the vibrant python yellow, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 24,315 miles. Rolling on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As we take a look around you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the embossed S logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, and connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, parking aid for rear parking settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you the pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, and radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to. Below, you have the climate control system so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 12V and USB charging points, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox and 2 cup holders for those longer journeys. This approved used Audi A1 Sportback is now available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.